In this video, I'm going to be unboxing my new lens, the Olympus M.Zuiko Digital ED 12-45mm F4.0 Pro lens. It's a standard lens for micro four thirds cameras, so it's compatible with all micro four thirds cameras like the Panasonic GX7, Olympus OMD EMO Mark Roman 2, or EM10 Mark Roman 3. So let's get started. This lens is the perfect companion for all of your wildlife and landscape photography, and it's also great for travel. With a maximum focal length of 45mm, it covers a wide range of distances with ease, allowing you to capture the exact moment you want without having to compromise on the shot. You'll find that there are several different ways that you can use this lens. It's not just limited to photography. You can also use it for video recording and shooting still images when you want to get creative with angles or angles of light. Overall, this lens delivers sharp, clear images, and it's extremely durable. So, if you want to take stunning photos, this is the lens for you. That's it for this video.